Hello, I'm Rocio. I'm the new Children's Commissioner for Wales. I'm here to listen to all children and young people in Wales and to make sure that you are getting the things you need to be happy, healthy and safe. These things are called your rights. So I thought I should introduce myself and tell you a little bit more about me. I was born in Chile in South America. When I was born, a man called Augusto Pinochet was the leader of Chile. He wasn't chosen by everyone. He just put himself in charge. It was a dictatorship. He didn't believe in rights and put people who didn't agree with him in prison or tortured them and sometimes killed them. He tortured my dad and put him in prison for a while. After a while, my parents got worried that they would be killed or that they might have their baby, me, taken away from them. So they decided to try and leave. Luckily, Wales was a country which believed in rights and so offered people like my parents and me a safe place to live. We ended up in Swansea, where I have lived nearly all my life since. I've lived in some other places as well, but Wales is where my heart is. I'm lucky to have done lots of different jobs, working with lots of young people in Wales. I've been a teacher, worked with young homeless people, and helped young people with disabilities. For the last 17 years, I've worked with young people from ethnic minority backgrounds, including refugees and asylum seekers. I want to help children and young people in Wales with lots of things. But I also want to hear your ideas and what you think is most important. I should also tell you that I love yellow and green, swimming and writing things. But I'm terrible at cooking or getting up early. I speak Spanish and English and am learning Welsh. I look forward to meeting you.